Hey guys, the good folks over at Warmiehomy sent me over this printer stand. We're going to get it opened up, spread out, put together, then we're going to see what it looks like, so stick around. All right, we got it opened up, spread out a little bit where we can get her put together. That's our next step. Now, these parts are not lettered or numbered or anything, but like these are all the same. You'll know the difference between these and these because this is just a smaller square tubing and this one has that little piece right there. That's pretty much the only pieces. Got some boards here and then the shelves. Looks pretty simple. The main thing you want to watch out for, these has the holes right here and then the hole in this piece right here. We'll make sure those go that way. Don't, because the bolt's going to go right through there. The square tubings, they already have the bolts in them. Just take them out. I'm just going to kind of get those snug and I will come back and tighten those up more in a moment. So we're going to have two more up here and then the two right here for the center shelf. Okay, got these on there. Now what I'm going to do is just take that other leg and lay it up here. Bring it down a little bit. Now we can just take this one and lay it up here. I want to keep these a little bit loose so I can turn them if I need to. And once I get the shelves put on here, then I can go around and tighten them all up. Okay, since I already have it up here on my table here, I'm going to skip a couple of steps and go ahead and put the casters on because it'll just be easier to get to while they're up here. And these casters do have the brakes on them. Right here, you can flip that and that'll lock that wheel. Now we can go ahead and set this down and start putting our shelves together and get them placed on here. We'll raise this desk on up and make it a little easier. We're gonna have two of these like this with a little back right here on it. I'm just gonna set this over here. Get our other one. Okay, our next step is to put the shelves on the stand itself. Looks like the ones with the backing on it is going to be the second shelf down and the bottom shelf. Okay, I just discovered something. Our shelf bars right here needed to be down one because the sides here have screws that go in to the sides. So we need to drop these down one. Okay, well I got those braces adjusted, the square tubing that goes underneath your shelf. Kind of pay attention to that, save you some time. Anyway, we are ready to put our shelves on here and put bolts in and we'll be good to go. Then we'll get some stuff set on it, get an idea of what it's going to look like and how sturdy it is. That's the important part. Seems pretty sturdy so far and these are not even tight yet. Might be a good thing I didn't tighten them up because this is not going in there easily. We can back these off just a little bit. These screws holding the braces on. I didn't get them tight, but they're snug. Let me loosen that off a little. Gives a little room there. That'll work. Okay, our other one here that's like this one is showing to go on the bottom. Okay, it's showing to do this standing up. With this up, but I think it might be easier to do it with it laying on its side. You can do it however you want to. That's just the way I'm going to do it. Now we can go ahead and tighten these sides here. Then we'll go over to that side and do that one. Okay, we got our shelves put on there, all but the top shelf. We'll get that put on there now. Well, there it is. We got it put together. It does have the little feet. If you don't want to put the casters on, you can put these little feet on there. But I like having the casters on it so I can roll it around if I need to, which is what we're fixing to do. We're going to roll this in there to the office and get it set up and see what it looks like. Well, there you go, folks. If you are looking for a nice, tall printer cart, I'll tell you how tall. With the casters on here, you're looking at 46.5 inches tall from the ground up. And it is outside to outside. Well, we'll measure the inside to inside here, because that's what really matters. About 21 3/4, 21.5, and you're safe. No worries there. It's about 23 3/4 inches deep. Really nice size printer cart. If you're in the market for one, you might want to check this one out. I give it a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.